Namaste, everybody, and welcome back to Enlightening Elixirs by Life Itself. So today we are going to make a Chaga Latte, and this one is very, very simple. We have three main ingredients, which is our Chaga concentrate, our Chaga Birch Syrup, and milk of choice. So we're going to go ahead and start with 5 ounces of your milk of choice and put it in your frother. Then we're going to take 2 ounces of our Chaga concentrate, put it right in the frother. And then a ½ ounce of our Chaga Birch Syrup. Boom. Right in the frother. From here, we just go ahead, press play. And after it's done, I like to add in our Reishi Cacao tincture. Anywhere from 1 to 3 droppers is a good amount. I'm going to put in 3 because I just like a lot. And then we're going to do lion's mane as well. So both of these are also available through Life Itself. And this is a true mushroom elixir over here. So 3 droppers full of that. And then finally, sea salt and cinnamon for a garnish on top. You got yourself a Chaga Latte. Enjoy.